Hey guys, welcome back. So I need to talk about a few different things today. Maybe I'm not going to be doing that much technical analysis, but it's more a little bit talk about the strategies that I am following right now, because there's been a few changes on the trends, but in general the markets are very bullish. So first of all, by the way, thank you very much for all your comments here in the last video. I made a video here yesterday explaining how I got into Bitcoin, my experience, and I was asking you guys to share your experience on the comments as well, because I was very curious to know how you guys got into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And we got like 40 comments here, and I'm loving them all. Like, I read all of them. I cannot answer all of them, but I'm reading them all, and I'm loving it. Thank you very much for sharing this with us, guys. Also, I have to review this other video that I made 1.5 days ago. It was like a poll to vote between Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, and I'm going to be reviewing the results on my next video. But I wanted to wait a little bit longer because, you know, so that we can get a little bit more views and then we're going to have more people voting, and so the results are going to be more realistic. So, but I'm going to be reviewing the results sometime soon. Okay, so with this being said, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. I don't have anything new to say about my technical analysis on Bitcoin. You can go ahead and watch my last video on technical analysis for Bitcoin, which was it was here, BTC versus BCH, BTC and BCH technical analysis. Will this bull flag go to 10K? So if you watch this one, I still, you know, I didn't change my mind after that video. Bitcoin, to me, it's looking toppy. It could go to 10K, but it might not. According to the analysis, it's a little bit 50-50. It looks a lot like Bitcoin needs to rest. It's overextended. It's gonna very fast, very high. So I think it's either gonna consolidate soon or go down. But, you know, it's looking toppy. I'm gonna leave it there. So I wanted to show also my strategy on Bitconnect. If you guys are into Bitconnect or are under my team, or even if you are not, I wanted to say that I have changed my strategy on Bitconnect, because you know what I always say, you have to be friend with the trend until the end when it bends. So I have been friend with the Bitconnect token for 5.5 weeks now since I joined, because the Bitconnect token was uptrending versus Bitcoin, which means it was outperforming Bitcoin. But for the past 2 weeks, I'm here on the exchange. I said this to show the past 2 weeks. So the first week in these two, I was going sideways, and the second week in these two, it started to downtrend versus Bitcoin, which means it's not worth anymore to hold and accumulate the Bitconnect token, because you're going to be losing value in terms of Bitcoin. So the trend has changed for now. I don't know how long it's going to last, but for now we need to follow the trend. So it means now I'm not going to be accumulating any more Bitconnect coins like I have been doing for the past 5 or 6 weeks. Now what I will do with my earnings, I will transfer it to Bitconnect coin, and right away I'm gonna exchange it for Bitcoins, because I know if I hold it into Bitconnect coins, it's gonna lose me value in terms of Bitcoin. So when I want to exchange to Bitcoin in the future, I'm gonna get less Bitcoin than if I just do it right away every time. I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, you need to use the platform and you will understand it very easily, because it's just common sense. When you explain it, it sounds confusing, but if you use the platform, it's just common sense, you will get it. The thing is, I'm not going to be accumulating any more Bitconnect coins like I have been doing for the past 5 or 6 weeks, because now the trend direction has changed. So what I am doing is exchanging everything into Bitcoin right away and sending it to my Exodus wallet. I have downloaded this wallet 3 days ago for this specific purpose, to send my Bitconnect earnings here. So far I have sent here $4,000 worth of Bitcoin. So in my portfolio, I have used these earnings to get Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So I sent here the Bitcoin basically, and then the Bitcoin, then I exchange part of this Bitcoin into Bitcoin Cash, 60% to be exact. This was, you will see the date here, so I'm not bullshitting anyone. I did the first Bitcoin transaction, the first Bitcoin deposit here was the 18th of November, which was the date when I installed this wallet on my computer. So yeah, 3 days ago, the 18th, today is 21st. So I sent here some of my earnings from that I had in Bitconnect platform, which was 0.34 Bitcoin, and I have used this to convert it into Bitcoin Cash. And then the next 2 days, the 20th and today the 21st, I have been sending more Bitcoins, which is what I had in my Bitconnect platform. I'm sending it here. I'm not leaving it in the Bitconnect platform right now, not because I don't trust the platform. I trust it 100%. My trust for this platform has not changed at all. I'm only following the trend, because that's what you have to do. You need to adapt and change your strategy when the trend changes direction. That's all I am doing. I'm not, you know, my trust for this platform hasn't changed at all. I'm just making the most out of it, try to make it the most profitable possible. That's all. But I like it just like I like Bitcoin Cash, and just like I like, you know, I'm not, you know, I didn't change my mind on the platform itself. I'm just trying to make the most out of the token and the profits. And to do that, you know, I change it for Bitcoin, send it here, and then change it for Bitcoin Cash, which is the coin I believe the most. But also I wanted to comment on this. I am watching EOS very, very closely. If I go to portfolio, you will see here, I have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, EOS, and well, Ethereum. I cannot remove it from here because the wallet doesn't let me remove it, but if not, I would have removed it from here. I am not interested in Ethereum at all. It's got a very ugly downtrend versus Bitcoin. It's one of the worst. I don't care what's doing with the dollar, but with Bitcoin it's really badly downtrending. So I don't even want to see Ethereum, but I cannot remove it from here. But I've chosen to show EOS and Dash because I am watching these two and I would like to get some of them. So this is the chart for EOS. It's been uptrending. EOS versus Bitcoin, of course. Again, I don't care what they do versus the dollar. So I'm waiting because I want to buy it either on this breakout, or if it goes down, I would buy it as close as possible from this support line here. And if it breaks out first, then I will buy on the breakout. After it breaks out, if it shows volume and there's some confirmation, I'm gonna buy on this breakout or on the retracement if it goes down to support here. So I'm waiting for this one and I'm watching it very, very closely. I really want to get into this. And Dash, maybe, I am not sure. Dash is looking good, but like neutral, leaning to bullish. So same thing, if it breaks out here, I mean, the volume is here. I mean, Dash and Bitcoin Cash are trading very, very similar. Look at these two charts. It seems to me they're going to explode here sometime soon. So that's the reason why I also have Dash here ready set up on my Exodus wallet, because I'm going to be exchanging some of my Bitcoins for EOS and Dash, or at least that's my idea at the moment. I will do it straight from the exchange here using Shapeshift, because I am done with Bittrex. A few days ago, like a week or 2 weeks ago, I will draw all my funds from Bittrex, because every time I logged in, it was sending me to the verification page, and that was very suspicious. And lucky I removed every single thing from there before it became mandatory to verify yourself. I am not willing to verify myself with Bittrex, meaning I don't want to upload my ID or anything like that. So I am done with centralized exchanges. I am so done with that, and I'm going back to Shapeshift here, which is what I used to use before the altcoins boom in May. Before that, I was just using Shapeshift when I wanted to exchange my Bitcoin for some other coins. So I'm back to that. decentralized, not decentralized, but you don't have to verify yourself or create new accounts or anything. I'm just, you know, I'm just doing it here straight from my Exodus wallet, which I'm loving, by the way. And guys, I think that's all I wanted to say for the video of today. I'm just watching EOS, I am watching Dash, of course I'm watching Bitcoin Cash, and as soon as I can see Bitcoin touching top, if it reverses or something like this, I'm going to be using my Bitcoins to get more Bitcoin Cash, Dash, and EOS, probably, unless anything changes, of course. And yeah, for Bitconnect, just using my earnings to get more Bitcoin, then send my Bitcoin to my Exodus wallet, and then from here decide for which coin I want to exchange my Bitcoin. My main holdings are in separate wallets, of course. My main holdings of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, which is all I have, are on my separate Electrum wallets, and they're going to stay there. I have no intention of trading or anything like that. And what else do I have? And I only have also 5 point something Bitconnect coins staking on my local wallet, and it's paying me some interest as well. But that's about it. That's about all my holdings. And yeah, guys, I'm going to continue to show progress, share my strategies with you. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.